everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I thought it would be fun to get into the Christmas spirit and do a holiday makeup tutorial. This is the look I've come up with. It's very glittery, very festive. I hope you guys like it because I like it a lot. Corey said he likes it a lot. Yeah. So let's get the video started. For this look, we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. The first shade we're going to go in with is this shade called Butter right here. I think it's called Butter. Yeah. And the brush I'm using is the Morphe M513 brush. So just go right into that, and this is just going to be the lightest shade that we go in with. Let me grab a mirror. And the next shade you're going to go in with, I'm using the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Jax, I think it's called. Yeah, and I'm just going to go right into my crease. I'm just going to keep it right on the outer corner. After you have that Jax shade on, go back in with the shade Butter and mix the two together just a little bit and start blending out that harsh line. And take your brush and just lightly dip back into them, tap off excess product, and then blend out that line with those two colors. Next, you go in with your deepest shade, and then that shade we're going in with is called Soda Pop right here. And you want to kind of blend this color down into your lower lash line, so it's a nice even look. Next, I'm going to take my Morphe E17 brush and blend those two colors together a little more. And then keep blending until everything looks completely put together. Next, I'm going to go in with my Morphe M124 and use the shade Beam right here. And I'm going to use that on my lid and inner corner. I'm using the E36 brush, and I'm going to go in with that Jax color and go all underneath my lower lash line. And you just kind of want to connect the two like that. Do the same thing with the other eye, obviously. Go back in with that Soda Pop color and just go right over that red. And if you want, you can even go back in and try to like blend them both out a little bit towards the edge because the line will show maybe a little more. And obviously do the same with the other side. And then the next step would be to take any white waterline eyeliner and just coat your waterline. The difference the white eyeliner makes always blows my mind. Look how much like bigger this eye looks than this one. Now it is finally time for some glitter. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take any kind of like flat like or small concealer brush. The glitter primer I'm using is the NYX glitter primer brilliance primer glitter whatever. And then the glitter I will be using is also NYX, and it's the glitter brilliance gold glitter, and yeah, gold. So I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand like this and then just kind of work it, and then we're just gonna apply it to our lid, kind of like in where we put all the white. I put that beam shade down first because I wanted just a light underneath for the glitter, a light base for the glitter. So you don't have to put the beam on, it's just like extra work, but I chose to help kind of guide me to where I want my glitter. And you just kind of tap over where it's all gonna go. And then just do the same with the other eye so you have it nice and sparkly, and kind of like try to spread your glitter out so it kind of like fades out with the rest of your blended eyeshadow. Oh, and if you're wondering, the brush I'm using to apply this glitter is the Morphe M412 brush. Alright guys, once you have your glitter on, go ahead and coat your lashes in some mascara. I'm using Bang by Benefit, and I did have another one but I can't find it, so I'm just using this one. And before you put mascara on your top lashes, go ahead and draw a thin line of eyeliner. You can do a wing. I'm not gonna do a wing today for this one. I'm just gonna keep it at a simple black line. Alright, and now that your eyeliner is drawn on, mascara on, and basically everything is done, let's go ahead and do our contour. And I'm going to go ahead and speed through my contour just because it's contour and everybody kind of, you know, you've seen me do it like a billion times. My contour, I'll be using the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette like always. And then the blush I'm using is NARS Orgasm. Alright, and the highlight I'm going to be using today is the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. And I'm going to be using the shade, of course, Vacation. So I just think that one is perfect for my skin tone. It's just the perfect shade of gold. Alright guys, let's go ahead and move to lips. We're going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in Phantom. And I got this in a little pack, I like liquid lipstick pack. And it came with 2 other ones that are really, really nice. But yeah, we're going to be using the Phantom one. Once you have all that on, go ahead and get your eyelashes ready to pop them on. I'm going to be using Toddy Lashes, TL4. They're really thick, really full. I think Toddy Lashes are my favorite lashes right now. 1 second and I'll pop those on. I just put my lashes on, yeah. And next, last but not least, is setting spray. I'm going to be using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And just spray it all over. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I'll go ahead and do a close-up so you guys can get a better idea. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn my post notifications on if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.